welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making chocolate bird nests. This is an easy, fun recipe that you can make with the kids. Here's what you'll need to get started. 1 12-ounce pack of chow mein noodles, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of peanut butter, 8 ounces of white almond bark, and colored malted eggs. First, we're going to mix the chocolate chips and the almond bark together into a microwave-safe bowl. Next, we're going to melt the chocolates in the microwave. And now we start. And we'll repeat this process until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Nice and smooth. Next, we're going to add the peanut butter to our mixture. Once again, we're going to mix the noodles until everything is covered. And now we're going to pour the mixture onto the wax paper. You can make them big or small. Here we're using 1/8 of a cup measure.